Man, received my Christmas gift already, but that's okay. No way. Are you kidding me? The one big fat guy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Arslan the Plane Lover. Today, I do not want to leave after I unboxed Galvatron on my second channel. If you want to see the video, check top right hand corner. I already unboxed that first. So, I did not want to leave my plane lover alone with the Christmas gift. Well, I received some Xbox gift card as I told in the last video. But this time, this gift comes from my aunt in Hallandale Beach or Fort Lauderdale or Miami, whatever you call it. This is Emirates Boeing 777-300ER. Yes, it flies in Florida near me, but it's not in Jacksonville International Airport. Yes, this is the closest airport I can go to. It's about 40 miles, sadly. MSP 11. Yes. The only airport you can fly with this is in Terminal C in Orlando International Airport. So, by the way, I thought it was going to be Gemini jets. As these two, I unboxed them earlier. As always, top right hand corner or check my channel. But it actually looks like seems to be came from Emirates store in Dubai International Airport. But this is the biggest thing I ever seen. Alright, anyways, let's unbox this up and take a close look at it. And yes, I'm recording with my phone again. Alright, I cannot, and yes, you already know me, I'm actually handheld again. Oh my god, this is the heaviest box I ever lifted. Let's open it up. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? How do I get this? Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is the biggest thing. I have to check if it fits my airport or not. Oh my god, that's so heavy. By the way, this is the wide body aircraft. Yes, it does fit my airport. Good. Let me know if it can in the comments if the Emirates 777s go to where the airport has to connect stairs. Let me know in the comments. To be honest, it fits very, very, very well. It's kind of big, to be honest. It is not bad. But my god, this thing is big. Big it is. If I had the A380, it would be more bigger, right? Let me know in the comments again. And yes, it's registered A6END. And yes, this is a Boeing 777-300ER. Yes, it's based in Dubai. And yes, this aircraft flies in real life right now. And I have no clue where it is. Anyways, that's very cool. Yo, you kidding me? This has tilted landing gear. When I first unboxed and yes, it is Gemini jets right there. But the box doesn't look like Gemini jets. Let me show ya. This box doesn't look like these two. Yes, not looks like this. Yeah, not really the honest. So, yeah. Well, that's gonna be do for today's video. A quick one. Thank you for watching. As always, let me know in the comments what you think of this Boeing 777-300ER by Emirates. Thank you for watching, y'all. See you guys next time.